back, I guess. So today we're gonna be messing with the 420cc Predator engine powered jet ski. Last video or so we tried it, it didn't work, it sucked, threw a rod. What can you do? Thought about getting a new motor, different pulleys, trying to make it spin a little bit faster. I was hoping to do like 25, but it didn't go anywhere and it immediately threw a rod. I don't know, whatever. So instead we're gonna blow it up. I got a bunch of Tannerite, so why not? We're gonna blow this thing up. If you're wondering why I'm so dirty, I don't know if you can tell really, but kind of had an accident with this thing here. Maybe I'll overlay some pictures. But let's get to getting this thing out in the water, because we're gonna blow it up on the water. My canoe sank. I'm drowning. Help! Somehow it's still floating, which is weird. Yeah, I'd say I'm surprised it didn't even hurt the bottom at all. It just took the whole top of it off. That's crazy. Look, there's a seat underwater. Or no, I don't know what that is. There's the seat. The center block's gone, Gage. It disintegrated into pieces. Like it's dust. There's part of the tree it was tied to. Of course, it was rotten. I'm tired now. Well, I hope you liked this video. I forgot to shoot the outro, so it's a couple weeks later now that I'm actually editing the footage, but it turned out pretty good. I wish the camera was angled just a little bit higher so you could see how high the stuff actually went, which was pretty high. We put 7 pounds of Tannerite in that thing. I thought it was going to do a little bit more damage than it actually did, but it still blew it to pieces. And, you know, who doesn't like blowing stuff up? So, obviously, you like this video, hit the like button. If you don't like this video, why did you even click on it? What are you doing here? Like, did you come here just to complain, or what? But, also, follow me on Snapchat. I'll leave a link in the description, or the pinned comment, or I'll maybe even put it across the screen this way or that way. Make sure you watch the playlist on either the Razor here It's hard to do backwards. This right here, Razor. And the playlist on the jet ski, building the jet ski. Unless you don't care, which I don't blame you because obviously it didn't work. It just blew it up. Whatever. Watch my videos. Peace out.